Nope. Number 60. In the figure below, both solids consist of 4 cubes, each 1 unit on a side. In the solid on the right, the 4 cubes form a rectangular prism that is 2 units long, 1 unit wide, and 2 units high. The solid on the left is the result of moving cube D from its position above cube C to beside it, so that cubes B, C, and D form a rectangular prism 3 units long, 1 unit wide, and 1 unit high. To the nearest percent, the total surface area of the solid on the right is what percent less than the total surface area of the solid on the left. So first, let's start by finding the surface area of both of these solids. If I take the solid on the right and we start looking at the front, the area of the front would be 4 square units. All right, because we're 2 units wide, 2 units tall, so 2 times 2 gives us 4. If I look at the back would also have 4 square units. If I look at the top, looking down from the top, I would have 2 units. Bottom is 2 units. The left edge, looking from the left edge, I have 2 units, and the right edge is 2 units. Totaling those up, I get 16 square units on this right prism. Now, let's go to the prism on the left. Again, if I start going through the sides, through these and adding them up, my front is still 4. Back is still 4. Looking from the top, if I look straight down on this, I'm going to see a 3 by 1 or 3 square units. Bottom will also be 3. Left side, looking from the left, I would see 2. Looking from the right, I would still see 2 units. They would not be perfectly aligned with each other, but we would still have 2 units. So totaling those up on this prism, or on the left-hand figure, I would have 18 square units. So if I look at the difference between the two, I had 18 on the left, 16 on the right, so there were 2 more units on the left than there were the right. Our question asked us, to the nearest percent, the total surface area of the solid on the right is what percent less than the total surface area of the solid on the left. So if we go from the left to the right, we lost 2 units of our original 18 units that exist in the left shape. So if I divide 2 by 18, I would come up with approximately 11%. So letter J,